Okay, so we are going to be starting right now. So before you start drafting anything, you have to create a borderline. So this borderline is what gives you guide. From that borderline is where you now start placing your measurement towards this side and then towards this side. You create a borderline here, a 1 cm borderline. Okay, rule out the 1 cm borderline. 1 cm borderline. You don't need more than 1 cm. Okay, 1 cm is just enough for you. 1 cm borderline, and from the top and then from the other side, and then you rule a straight line connecting the dotted lines. Connecting the dotted lines. Okay. Connect them. Then you use your ruler to join the lines. We are creating a borderline. That's the first step. Create your borderline. And then you rule this one. So after you've created your borderline, then the next thing you want to create is getting your hip, your client's hip measurement, or your hip measurement, or whoever you are working with, their measurements. Get your hip measurements. We are working in cm, don't forget, you're working with cm. Everything here, you will see it's all in cm. So you get your hips divided by 2 plus 3 cm. Do you understand? Hips divided by 2 plus 3 cm. So my hip here is 108. Is 108. My hip right here is 108. So I'll divide 108 by 2, which will give me 54. Which will give me 54, right? So 54 plus 3 will give me 57. Okay? So you place your 57 from here. So this is where you need your tape measure, because this ruler doesn't have up to 54 cm. So don't forget that we are working in cm. You place your measurement from here, 54 cm. From your borderline, 54 cm. Wherever your 54 cm stops, you might mark it. We are trying to get a borderline. We are trying to get like a box. So inside that box is where all our measurements, everything we are going to be drafting stays. Okay, 57, right? Sorry, I said 57. I mistakenly did 54 here. Sorry, 57. Okay, 57. So we are trying to create a box, don't forget. So now we have the box. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is getting our point OCB. There's something you call point OCB. So your point OCB line is where your measurements, all your everything you'll be measuring will start from. Do you understand? So point OCB. So look at your measurements. I'll be sending this thing to you. I'll be sending the size charts, posting the size chart on the group. So you look at your size charts, your measurement charts. If it is possible for you to print it out, so it will be easy for you to have access to. So you look for your point OCB on the charts. Okay, so this is my point OCB. See, this is how you get to your size. Okay, so if you look at this measurement chart here, you see size 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on and so forth. Okay, so right now my bust is 94, right? So I will look for where 94 falls. You use your bust to get what your size is. I'll look for where 94 cm falls under this. Okay, I'll look for where my 94 falls under this. So my bust is 94 cm. So 94 is between here, is under size 10, okay? From 92 to 95 cm is size 10. So I can find 94 under 10. So that means I am a size 10. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So we are working with a size 10. So every other thing we are going to be needing here, our darts, our waist length, our shoulder, our everything we are going to be working with here is going to be under size 10. Do you understand? So right now, 0.0 cb for a size 10. So we are looking for 0.0 cb for a size 10. For a size 10 is 3 cm, okay? Then you place your 3 cm measurements right from here, okay? From here, from this starting point, you measure 3 cm from here, okay? 3 cm from here. From here, from this your borderline, measure 3 cm from here, okay? So after you've gotten that 3 cm, we are trying to get our back neckline, okay? So our back neckline, if you look at your size chart, you see where back neck width is written. Back neck width. So for size 10, back neck width for size 10 is 7 cm. So you place your 7 cm from here. You know you came down by 3 cm here, right? So you place your 7 cm from here. Whenever the 7 cm stop, then you mark it, okay? This is my 7 cm, okay? So from here to here is your 0.0 cb, okay? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so you mark your 0.7, your 0.7 here, your 7 cm here, sorry. So then you go up on this 7 cm, you go up by 2 cm constant, okay? You go up by 2 cm constant, and then you label it 2 cm constant, okay? From here to here is 7 cm, okay? Mind you, this 7 cm is not constant. Every sizes have their own. Let's assume you are size 12 or you are size 6 or you are size 8. You look for your own your own back neck width here, okay? For size 10 is 7, so that's why I'm using 7 cm here. So after that, you come down here. You come down here by 3 cm constant on your 0.0 cb. You come down here by 3 cm constant, okay? Come down by 3 cm constant from your OCB. You come down by 3 cm constant, okay? So let me clean this place and this line, and then we'll write it very well so you can see it. Let me use this my pen. Okay, I think I should use pen so that everybody can see this thing. So you come down from here, you come down by 3 cm constant, 3 cm constant, right? So on that 3 cm, there is something we call X back, okay? There's something we call X back. That's across your back measurement, right? You must have seen it in the measurement video. Across back. For my own, it is 38. Now, remember that I'm size 10, right? If you check your X back here in the measurement guide, X back here is showing 36 or 37. Now, I'm not going to advise you to use the one on the measurement charts. I would advise that you measure your clients when they come. Do you understand? You measure your clients when they come so you can get perfect measurements. So for my own measurement, the one on my body is 38 cm. So you divide this 38 into 2, okay? You divide your 38 into 2. So you place the answer from here. You know you came down by 3 cm here. So 38 divided by 2 will give us 19. So you measure your 19 from here, right? You place your 19 measurement for 19 cm from here. 19 here. So you can have a straight line. So you don't have a slanted line. So you know you came down here by 3 cm, right? So 3 cm plus this 3 cm here will give us 6 cm. So measure 6 cm. So this 6 cm you are measuring is just like a guideline, not like you compulsorily have to draw 6 cm. It's just a guideline to help us have a straight line here. So 38 divided by 2 is giving us 19 cm. So you measure your 19 from here to here. on that 3 cm line where you came down, you place your 19 cm, right? So this is your 19, okay? So what you're going to do is this. After that 19 cm, on this line, on your X back line, you extend it with extra 2 cm, okay? You extend it with extra 2 cm, okay? So you extend it with extra 2 cm. Now that is on this your X back line. You divided your X back into 2 plus 2 cm. That's 19 plus 2 cm will give us 21 cm, okay? Then from your OCB, remember that I said that every other measurement you're going to be placing will be starting from your OCB line, right? So you are measuring, you're trying to get our armhole line now, our chest line. So the depth of your armhole, on your measurement guide, you're going to see something like depth of your armhole, okay? So the depth of my armhole for size 10 is 21.5. So now you place that 21.5 from your point OCB. You measure 21.5, okay? This is 21.5, okay? This is 21.5, okay? So now because we want to get accurate line, I'm going to measure from here to here, so it gives me a straight line so that I can extend this my armhole line from my back to the front, okay? So I'll measure what I have here. What I have here, I have 24.5. So I'm going to extend this 24.5. So at the end of the whole video, I'm still going to like brush it through so that everybody understands, okay? I'm going to make this video as simple as possible. You must understand, because this is the basic of everything you are going to be doing moving forward, okay? So this right here is the depth of our armhole. That's half of our armhole, okay? So after you've done that, now we want to get the depth of our armhole divided by 2, which is 21.5 divided by 2, okay? 21.5 cm divided by 2. So this is 21.5, this is 21.5 cm. We'll divide it by 2. So it's giving us 10.75, okay? So you place your measurement 10.75 from your point OCB. Every measurement we are placing is going to be starting from our point OCB. It's giving us what? 10.75. So 10.75. So because I want a straight line, I'm going to extend it from here to here, okay? 10.75. So from here is giving me 13.75. 13.75, okay? So on this half line right now, this particular line, I'm going to place my X back, which is my across back, divided by 2. Remember here we added 2 cm, but on this line we are not going to add 2 cm. We are still going to place that same measurement too on this line, okay? So it is going to be like this. What we got here was 19 cm, right? 19 cm, yes. 19 cm here. So we'll place our 19 cm also here. 19 cm. And also place the 19 cm here. Okay? 19 cm. Now we are going to rule a straight line, connecting this 19 cm, connecting the straight line like this. Okay? So we are also going to connect this line as well here. Okay? I hope you are following me. So when we are done with this one, what we are going to do is this 2 cm we came out by 2 cm constant, we came out by here. We'll connect it to this 2 cm we went up. Remember when we came in by 7 cm here, we went up by 2 cm. So we are going to connect this 2 cm here now to this other 2 cm too, to give us our slanted shoulder. Okay? So this is giving us, now this is our shoulder. Okay? This is our shoulder for the back. So the next thing we are going to do right now is, the next thing we want to do here right now is, we'll measure 3 cm from here, from this line. Measure 3 cm downward, is constant. 3 cm downward. Okay? 3 cm downward. Right? Now there's something we call backup line. There's something we call backup line. You come to your measurement chart and then you look for your backup line for your size. My backup for my size 10 is 5.5 cm. So you place your 5.5 cm from here towards here, wherever the 5.5 cm stops, then you mark the line. Okay, then this is where the 5.5 cm stops. So I'm just going to write backup. Okay, backup line here. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is this. You use your curve ruler to get angle 45 degree. Okay, so this is my angle 45 degree. Let me show you how you place it. On your ruler there is this arc here, and then there's this middle line here. My own is written 28. I don't know which type you are going to buy, what number is going to be written under your own. So you place it on this line so you can get angle 45. Look at it, this is angle 45. Okay, so you just measure 3 cm from here. This is so that we can get our curve very well, our armhole curve very well. You measure 3 cm from here. Okay, from 3 cm from here. 1 2, then oh my god, sorry, 1 2 1, sorry, 1 2, then 3. Okay, so this is where it stops. So now we are going to be connecting these dots. We'll connect here to here to here and then to here. We'll connect here. This 3 cm where we came down, please label it so that you can always remember. 3 cm constant. Okay, so you connect here, this 3 cm line, and then this other line, and then connect it to your backup line. Okay, so can you see what I'm doing? So okay, so just like I said before, you place your curve ruler. See the way I'm placing it right now. Make sure it's touching this spot, this 3 cm where you came down here, and then this 3 cm you went up on your angle 45 degrees. Angle 45. Hey, sorry, 3 cm. Okay, so you are going to use your curve ruler to your pencil to connect this line. You connect it from here. So watch this thing now as I show you how you get your armhole curve. Okay, so now this is it. When I take off the ruler, you will see what your back armhole is going to look like. Okay, so here you have it. Here you have it. Okay, so after getting this, we are almost rounding up with the back. These are our back bodies. This is where we are going to do the front bodies. Okay, so the next thing we are doing right now is we are getting our waist length. Okay, our waist length. Babe, please can you go outside? I beg you, I don't want to hear any song, please. Thank you. So you are getting our waist length. So your waist length, you must have seen how I took the measurement on measurements guide video. Okay, so for my waist length here, mine is, do I have my waist length measurement here? Oh my god, I don't have my waist length measurement here, but I know my waist length is 46. Okay, it's 46 cm. But on the measurement guide for a size 10 waist length, I'm coming size 10 waist length. Okay, waist length here, you see waist length here. Waist length for size 10 is 42. If I use this 42 cm, waist length means half length. I don't know the way you know how to call it, but waist length means half length. Okay, from your shoulder to your waistline. So here the waist length you have here is 42 for size 10, but I don't use it because my waist length on my body is longer than this 42 here, so I use 46 cm. Okay, so 46 cm here on tape rule. Okay, 46 cm. Sometimes yes, I use 46, sometimes I use 47 cm, depending on the style I'm making. So I'll place 46 cm from here. Okay, using either my tape rule or my ruler. Okay, so you place 46 cm. Don't forget, every measurement you are placing is going to start from your OCB. You place your 46 cm from your point OCB here to wherever your 46 stops here. Okay, so wherever the 46 stop, mine is stopping here. I hope you guys see it. So my own is stopping here, 46. Okay, so now because I want to have a straight line, so I need like a guide that will put me through. So I'll add this 3 cm that is here to the 46, so it will be giving me 49 cm. Okay, so 49 cm here. So I'm measuring 46 cm also. I'm placing it to the front. I'm extending the 46 cm line to the front. So because I said I want to have a straight line, so I added this 3 cm here to the 46, giving it 49. So I'm placing 49 cm here. I'll extend it all the way to the front. Okay, 49 cm. 49 cm. Okay, 49 cm. So after that, I'll join the line together so I can have my waistline. Okay, waistline. Okay, so these are waist lengths. This is our bust line. Okay, your bust line. So let's continue. After doing that, the next thing you are going to do is we want to get our hip line, your hip length, your waist to your hip. On my own measurements, my waist to my hip is 25 cm. So now, working with Natalie Bray, your waist, the distance between your waist and your hip should be between 22 cm and 25 cm. Okay, so the longer your client's hip is, so the longer you increase the length of the hip line. Okay, so for me, my hip is a little bit longer, longer from my waistline, so I normally use 25 cm and it works perfectly for me. Sometimes I use 24 cm. Okay, so what you are going to do next now is place your measurements right from this line. Okay, from your waistline, measure 25 cm downward, 25 cm on your waistline. Okay, measure 25 cm downward. All right, 25 cm, extend it to the front bodice. Okay, 25 cm. So after getting that straight line, you connect with your ruler. You connect it with your ruler. Okay, so here we have it. So don't forget, this is our waistline, this is our hip line. Okay, this is our hip line. Okay, so now after getting your hip line, you divide your hip by 2. Okay, you divide your hips by 2. This is your hip line. The answer you got from here to here. Remember that how we got this box was our hip measurement, actual hip measurement divided by 2 plus 3 cm. So for me, my answer, I got, what was mine? I think I got, let me check. I think I got 50. Is it 56? Okay, 57. So I'm going to divide this 57 now into 2. Okay, and then I'll mark the line, place the measurements on this paper. Okay, so 57 divided by 2. Okay, so 57 divided by 2 is giving me 28.5. So you measure your 28.5 from this line to wherever it stops. 28.5. This is where it is. Okay, on my paper. Then just measure it and leave it. So this is what is going to give us a division line. Okay, now it's going to divide front from the back. But let's keep going. I'll teach you how to connect it. Okay, so after you've gotten this line, all right, now the next thing you want to do is you connect your backup line. Remember, we had a backup line from here. Mine was 5.5 cm, and I don't know what your own would be. Do you understand? So you connect your 5.5 cm. How we got this our backup line was we got our backup line from our measurement chart. So you connect your 5.5 here, this line, your backup line, you connect it to this half of your hip, half of your box, okay? On your hip line, connect it like this. Okay? So right now we have our back bodies. We are going to work on our front bodies right now. I hope you are understanding. Like I said, when I'm done drafting this whole thing, I'm still going to like brush through again so that you will understand, okay? I've promised everyone that you must understand this class. Okay, so the next thing is we want to go to the front now and start working on our front bodies. So the next thing you are going to do is this. There is a constant measurement. Here, you come down by 4.5 cm, okay? If it's for someone that is on a plus size, you come down by 4 cm only. If it's someone below from size 12 downward, you use 4.5. But someone above, let's say size 14 upward, you come down here by 4 cm, okay? So for me, I'm size 10, I'll come down by 4.5 cm, okay? I'll come down by 4.5 cm and go in by 16.5 cm. Come down by 4.5 cm, 4.5 cm, okay? I'll go in by 16.5 cm so that I'll have a straight line. I'll measure 4.5 here too, okay? 4.5, so I don't make mistake. 4.5, okay? I'm trying to create like a dotted line that would guide me to get my 16.5 cm. Honey, please, can you help me check this video if it's recording perfectly, please? Yes. Baby, please, are you sure? Okay, thank you. Okay, so 16.5. We got our 16.5 now, okay? So after getting the 16.5, the next thing we want to do is